Hello guys, welcome to my Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Valorant. A critical error has occurred and the process must be terminated. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing a Valorant error, a critical error has occurred and the process must be terminated, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to open the services. For that you need to click on start menu and type here services. Click on services. Under this list you need to find VGC. I had not installed the Valorant, so that's why I am unable to find the VGC. If you find the VGC, you just need to right click on that. Suppose this is your VGC, right click on that, click on properties. Here you can see startup type. By default it is manual, you need to select as automatic and click on start, then apply, then OK. After doing this, just close this window. Once you need to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Valorant. A critical error has occurred and the process must be terminated. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.